Alright guys, we're going to do the sausages now. Slightly more challenging because if we squeeze them like the mince, of course, we'll have pancakes. And we don't want pancakes, we want sausages. So about 6 sausages to the bag. That's 4 for me, 1 for her, and 1 for me for lunch tomorrow. And so with the SICO 250, one of the advantages is we've got this little soft vacuum valve in the middle, which allows us to control the vacuum pressure so we don't crush things. So we've got the thing dialed to 3 o'clock. We're going to close the lid now, start the machine, and as you see at the moment in the bag we actually have no vacuum. So what we're going to do is we just dial the soft vacuum valve around until we snug the sausages down without crushing. There, looks pretty good to me. Give it about a 4-second burst on the seal bar just to start the seal on the top of the bag, and then dial to the top to complete the seal. Well, this is one of our older models. It's a manual machine. The newer ones actually do most of what I just showed you for you. So there we go, nice sausages, no crushing. Alright, so a little bit of an explanation on the soft vacuum valve. So once we start the machine, over here there's no vacuum. On the other side there's a preset which is about a third vacuum, which is usually pretty good for sausages, except these sausages are very, very fresh, so we're not going to use that. That would actually crush them. Happy?